We want to say thank you to everybody that participated in our free ticket giveaway. It means a lot to us to have our friends and, you know, our group of friends and our herd has expanded so much. And there's people that I guess I just want to let everybody know that we appreciate every single one of you and every single person that's out there listening and supporting our music and supporting Colorado musicians in general. You know, like we're out here doing our best, and we appreciate you great people being there to check us out and to continue to push us forward. And thank you.
Amazing. Thank you. Thank you for everybody being a part of this. And it takes an entire herd. It takes a village, whatever you say. And I'll tell you what, we just keep it going. We got more tunes from Buffalo Commons out of Steamboat, Colorado. Let's take it away.
Let down on Sunday, dreading the morning to be, dreading my life. I'm so tired of the paper chase, tired of the average pace, tired of the life. When I woke up, the sirens wail, dust lay the ceiling pale, escape dust in time. My way into the streets, no one was watching me. The red for their life. It's comets fill the sky, and the ground begins to shake. I'm glad I'm still alive. Well, it's just a Monday for me. Who would have thought? It'd be the end of the world. It's just a Monday for me. Who would have thought it'd be the end of the world? It's just a Monday for me. Who would have thought it'd be the end of the world? It's just a Monday for me. Who would have thought it'd be the end of the world? It's just a Monday for me. Who would have thought it'd be the end of the world? It's just
a Monday.
I'll be waiting in the morning light. I'll be waiting in the morning light.
End of the world.
I'll be waiting in the morning light. I'll be waiting in the morning light.
Just a Monday.
I'll be waiting in the morning light. I'll be waiting in the morning light.
End of the world.
I'll be waiting. Just a Monday for me. Who would have thought it'd be the end of the world?